In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DNS records using the DNS zone editor in Siteground. This tutorial is perfect for beginners looking to navigate the basics of DNS records on the Siteground platform. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll need to head over to the Siteground website. Siteground is known for its user-friendly interface and reliable web hosting services, which is why we're using it today. Once you're here, your next step is to click on the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself in the dashboard of your Siteground account. This is your command center where you can manage all aspects of your web hosting. From here, locate and click on My Siteground account. This section is where you'll manage your specific websites and their associated settings. With access to your account, look for the Site Tools option. It might be nestled between other links, but it's crucial as it leads to the more technical side of managing your domain. Go ahead and click on Site Tools. Once you're in the Site Tools area, your next task is to click on Domain. This is where you manage the multiple aspects of your domain settings, including DNS configuration. It's an important part of the web hosting management process because the domain is essentially your online address. In the domain section, you'll want to look for and select DNS Zone Editor. This specific tool is powerful and allows you to add, modify, or delete DNS records. These DNS records are vital as they guide how your domain connects to the server, directly impacting your site's functionality. Now that we're in the DNS Zone Editor, it's time to create a DNS record. You'll see fields to input the necessary details such as the type of DNS record you wish to create. Common types include A, CNAME, and MX records, each serving different purposes. For instance, an A record points your domain to an IP address, while a CNAME can alias one name for another. Enter all the required details carefully, ensuring you've got the settings aligned with your hosting needs. Once all the information is in place, simply click on Create to finalize the addition of your new DNS record. And that's it, you've successfully set up a DNS record using Siteground's DNS Zone Editor. I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you venture into managing your own web domain. Remember, Siteground's interface is designed to be intuitive, so don't hesitate to explore other tools and features offered within your account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional tips and tricks.